Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with your morning market stir for Thursday, October 23rd. Well, the streak is over, the up streak anyways. Backed off a little bit yesterday. The stock indexes were down less than 1% across the board, but did see some unwinding late in the day. E-mini S&P finished down 13, 1925. The high was 1944 with the low 1920. We are still above the midpoint of this sell-off. Dow futures lost 122, 16,425, and the Nasdaq back down 22 points at 39.49 after a big surge the day previous. The dollar index was up 45 ticks at 85.85, pushing euro currency back below 127, 126.48 down 82. Bonds still steady, down 9 at 142.13, a slight unwinding. And crude oil was a big mover today, down $2 at 80.52, had a low at 80.22 on that session, so continuing to slide there. Gold was off $6 with that dollar surge at 12.46. The high in the session was 12.50 and the low was 12.40 to keep an eye on. So after the first pullback we've seen since this market bottom, where do the markets stand here on this Thursday morning? Well, we're positive. We're getting back half of the losses from yesterday right now. We're at 1932, up 7 in the E-mini S&P. We're up 50 points in the Dow futures at 16,470, and we're up 16 in the Nasdaq Tech 100 at 39.65. Currencies are going nowhere. We're down 4 ticks at 85.82 after the surge of the dollar yesterday. We're up 23 points in the Euro futures at 126.71. Bonds are down 1 tick right now at 142.11. The yield on the 30-year Treasury has now pushed back up to 3%, and the yield on the 10-year notes at 2.24%, so more than a quarter percent off those extreme lows from last week. Crude oil's not going lower, but it's up a dime right now at 80.70, and gold's down $7 at 12.38. So to wrap up the current action, with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market opening, we're getting back some losses from yesterday. We're up 7 in the S&P. We're up 50 points in the Dow futures as we stand. I will see you early Friday morning for your morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.